This pesto chicken sandwich is so delicious.
Half thinly sliced chicken, and the seasoning: 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, half a tablespoon Lari seasoning salt, and half a teaspoon garlic pepper with crushed red pepper. Add it all and give it a good mix. Olive oil. Cook for 3 minutes on each side. Pesto on one side, mayo on the other side. Lay the chicken, cheese, arugula, tomato, pickle.
Okay, I put it in the grill. You can toast it if you don't have a grill. And it's all done. I'm serving it with fries. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching.